Our 2.05 inches 16 gauge finish nailer features a maintenance-free motor for added reliability and long tool life. Drive 16 gauge FN to finish nails from 1 to 2.05 inches long. This Porter cable finish nailer features an internal piston catch for consistent maximum power on every shot and a rear exhaust to keep contaminates away from work. Also included is a tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for the proper setting of nail heads, a tool-free jam release mechanism for easy nail removal, and a sequential style trigger with a lock-off switch. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The maintenance-free motor of the finish nailer is designed to deliver long life. Number 2. The 16 gauge finish nailer has a tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for the proper setting of nail head. Number 3. Drive 16 gauge FN style finish nails from 1 inch to 2.05 inches length. Number 4. The tool-free jam release mechanism for easy nail removal. Number 5. Tool-free adjustable exhaust channels contaminants away from the user. Number 6. The magazine can be loaded as a rear load and lock style. Number 7. Sequential style trigger with lock-off switch. Number 8. Removable non-marring nose tip. Number 9. Contact safety located behind the driver guide for better visibility. Number 10. Internal piston catch for consistent max power on every shot. Number 11. Tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for proper setting of nail heads. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.